Hey guys, I am back and today we are going to talk about solubility and the factors affecting solubility. So basically solubility is the property related to solute. So let first we will write the definition and then we will understand what is solubility. So basically solubility is the ability of solute to dissolve with solvent to dissolve with solvent to make solution to make solution. So basically solubility is the ability of a solute to dissolve with solvent for making solution. We have understood that what is solute. Basically the substance which we are adding, that is known as solute, and in which we are adding, that is known as solvent in the last video. So basically we will do it experimentally. So here is my experiment. So basically this is a sugar and this is my water. So we know that the substance which we are adding, that is sugar, it is a solute, and this is our solvent. Basically water is solvent and the sugar is solute. We know that the substance which is more in quantity is known as solvent and the substance is less in quantity is known as solute. So basically see here, the number of moles in solute, the number of moles in solute is less than number of moles in solvent. Okay, so basically the ability of this sugar, that is solute, to dissolve with water is known as solubility. Okay, so I think that you all have understood what is the solubility means. So now we will be looking at the factors affecting solubility. Factors affecting solubility. Factors affecting solubility. So basically there are three factors which affect the solubility. First one is nature of the solute or solvent. Nature of the solute or solvent. The second one is the temperature. And the third one is pressure. So we have looked to the solubility and the factors affecting the solubility. In my upcoming 3 videos, we will talk about each one in detail. Thank you guys.